Hey everybody, welcome back to Ride It Wrench It. Today we're going to do some installation, kind of a review on these Kemi Moto Saddlebag Organizers. I did not get these for free, okay? So I bought these, and pretty much I'm pretty impressed with them overall. There are some things I don't like about it, and we'll talk about that as we do it. But I did want to do a video on it as an alternative for organizing your saddlebags. As you may have known, on my previous motorcycles, I used the hard bagger. It was a little saddlebag liner, I think is what they call it, something like that. I got a video on it, and it would just sit down in the top, and it was a little tray, and you could put your phone and stuff in there. But that was all it was, one little tray, so it didn't really organize anything. Even if I had two of them, you know, I didn't have pockets like the saddlebag organizers do. I really needed one because I've been riding a little bit. Finally got cleared to go do that, and started putting stuff in my saddlebag. And it's like, man, every time I stop, I'm digging stuff out, trying to figure out where it is. You know, I've got my phone, I've got glasses in here, I got reading glasses in here, I got a bag of different things. I got Ride It Wrench It patches in here. I give those out to people sometimes when I see them. Garage door openers, and it's like, it's all just bouncing around, you know, in the saddlebag. So I figured, you know, it's about time I do something about this. So that's why I ordered them. Now I know the install isn't real hard, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you anyway. They basically, they bolt on by using your saddlebag bolts here. Take those out. I'm just going to do one at a time here. There we go. And then this thing, this bag, just goes in there, and then it goes back in and holds it on. Now what I did not like about it is they've got this nice plastic backing, and they cut the plastic out where the mount goes. So now I'm actually mounting on a material, and that's what's holding it instead of the thickness of the plastic. Why they did that, I have no clue whatsoever. I don't really want my, you know, saddlebag organizer to be hanging off of material. So I did something a little bit different. I just got some fender washers, painted them flat black, and I'm gonna put a fender washer under there before I put it in. Now the lower part of this, to keep it from, you know, pulling out at the bottom, I think the weight of stuff will hold it. They do have some double-sided tape here, some Velcro with a adhesive backing. So I'm not sure at this point if I'm even going to put that on. I might just leave it like this for a while. When you get stuff in here, it's going to weigh it down anyway. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. So I've got that in there, and we're going to put that through. Put the washer underneath all that. There we go. The other thing I was worried about is maybe like the added thickness the washer would add, not get enough threads to grab, but it's not an issue at all. I've got plenty there. There we go. All right, same thing. Oh, that's nice. They actually formed it so it fits around the indentation for the shock. I didn't even notice that. All right, there's it. Yeah, that's actually pretty tight on there. So I think I'm pretty happy with it, actually. You know, without using it, I'm happy with it. All right, so that was about it. I haven't taken the tape off. It seems to hold pretty good without the Velcro, so I'm just going to leave it like that and try it for a while. But it does have like a zipper pouch, you know, here. That's kind of nice. All right, let's go ahead and do the other side while we're at it, just so you can see it. Same thing, it's that material hanger area kind of bothers me. Just leave the plastic. All right, so this one here, they show in the picture that you can put a water bottle in here. I don't think it'll work with this mount, but that's fine. It's still pretty good. There's a lot of little pouches and stuff in here. You know, individual pouches to put stuff with Velcro. So I'm putting stuff away, and I noticed these are brand new glasses. I just bought these and they're scratched, and that's because they were just down the saddlebag bouncing around. So that's one of the reasons I got this, was to have a place to store stuff. And I mean, it's right in my pupil too. I'm gonna look through that and see that all the time. Now I'm probably gonna have to get some new glasses after I just bought new glasses. So I'm hoping that these will help me with issues like that. All right, everybody, so I hope you enjoyed the video. That was just a little, I guess, review video that I did on the Kemi Moto Saddlebag Organizers. Since I did the video, I'm closing it out. I've actually taken the trip to California and back using those in my saddlebags. And so that was 3,100 miles round trip, and they worked great. I mean, I've got nothing really negative to say about their performance. I use them all the time. I got them filled out now, you know, with different items, and just a great way. Nothing bounces around in the saddlebag, so I'm real happy with them. So anyways, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, please, and be sure and subscribe to the channel, and also be sure and visit the website at rideitwrenchit.com.